Welcome to our exploration of the top 20 scientific facts that resonate with pantheism. Pantheism is more than just a philosophy. It's a way of seeing the interconnectedness of all things. Let's begin our journey and delve into the wonders that await us. Our story begins amidst the swirling chaos of the early universe, roughly 13.8 billion years ago. From a point of unimaginable density and heat, space burst forth, creating galaxies, stars, and the cosmos as we know it. This vastness speaks to a power beyond comprehension, where the seeds of pantheism take root. From distant stars to our very cells, we are all made of the same fundamental ingredients. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, all forged in the fiery crucibles of stars long gone. We are stardust, walking, breathing testaments to the interconnectedness of all things. This shared cosmic heritage is a core principle of pantheism. Journey to the heart of a dying star, where elements essential for life are created. In a supernova explosion, these elements are scattered across the cosmos, seeding new stars and planets. Our existence is a testament to this extraordinary cosmic cycle. We're an integral part of the universe's grand unfolding story. Energy, the lifeblood of the cosmos, courses through the universe in a never-ending dance of transformation. It can neither be created nor destroyed, only changed from one form to another. This eternal flow powers stars, fuels galaxies, and animates every living creature on Earth. In this ceaseless transformation, we glimpse the divine essence that permeates all existence. It connects us all in a web of interdependence and shared existence. Imagine standing at the edge of the universe. What would you see? A wall, a boundary. The universe has no edge and no center, a cornerstone of modern cosmology. Think of the surface of a balloon. As it inflates, every point moves away from every other point. The universe is expanding in all directions, with every galaxy moving away from every other galaxy. This boundless nature resonates deeply with the pantheistic worldview. It suggests an infinite, all-encompassing reality that transcends our limited human perspective. Deep within quantum mechanics lies quantum entanglement, where two particles can become linked, their fates intertwined. Imagine two spinning coins. In the quantum world, these coins can become entangled. When you observe one coin, you instantly know the state of the other, no matter how far apart. This instantaneous connection suggests a deep interconnectedness at the heart of reality. It challenges our notions of space and separation, hinting at a deeper unity that binds all things together. Time and space are not separate entities, but threads in the fabric of the cosmos, known as space-time. Massive objects warp space-time, affecting the path of objects and the flow of time itself. This interconnectedness of time and space supports the pantheistic view of a unified reality. It suggests that the divine exists beyond our linear perception of time. The universe appears remarkably fine-tuned for the emergence of life. The fundamental constants and forces seem perfectly calibrated for the existence of stars, planets, and life. From a pantheistic perspective, this fine-tuning is evidence of the inherent life-giving nature of the universe. The universe is a self-organizing system with an inherent drive towards complexity and life. Evolution by natural selection is the driving force behind life's grand tapestry. Over billions of years, life has explored countless forms, resulting in a web of life so interconnected and interdependent. Pantheism sees this evolutionary process as a manifestation of the divine creative force at work in the universe. It is a force that operates through the bottom-up emergence of complexity and order from simple beginnings. Beneath the diversity of life on Earth lies a profound truth. We are all connected. Every living creature shares a common ancestor, a single-celled organism that lived billions of years ago. This interconnectedness has profound implications for our understanding of ourselves and our place in the world. It reminds us that the divine spark, if it exists, burns within every living creature on Earth. From space, Earth appears as a pale blue dot, a tiny oasis of life in the vast cosmic desert. This rare combination of factors has allowed life to flourish on Earth for billions of years. Pantheism views Earth as a sacred living being, worthy of our deepest reverence and respect. We are not the masters of nature, but rather one strand in its intricate web of life. In any ecosystem, you'll witness a symphony of interdependence, a delicate dance of life. Biodiversity is essential for the health and resilience of ecosystems. Each species contributes to the overall functioning of the ecosystem. Pantheism recognizes the inherent value of all life, reminding us that our well-being is linked to the health and diversity of the living world. Mystical experiences evoke a sense of unity with something greater than oneself. Recent research in neuroscience suggests that these experiences may have a biological basis. Certain areas of the brain, when stimulated, can induce feelings of awe, oneness, and spiritual connection. Our capacity for spiritual awe may be hardwired into our brains, a natural outgrowth of our evolutionary heritage. Consciousness, the subjective experience of awareness, thought and feeling, remains a mystery to science. Recent advances in neuroscience suggest that consciousness is an emergent property of complex systems like the human brain. This perspective resonates with the pantheistic view of a universe imbued with consciousness. If consciousness can arise from matter, then perhaps the universe itself possesses a form of consciousness. The universe is a dynamic, ever-evolving entity, constantly expanding since the Big Bang. This expansion is driven by a mysterious force known as dark energy. The universe is not a finished product, but an ongoing process of creation and transformation. This dynamic view aligns with the pantheistic perspective of a creative force at work in the cosmos. Black holes, where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape, captivate our imaginations. These cosmic abysses provide a unique laboratory for testing our understanding of gravity and reality. They remind us that the universe is full of mystery and wonder. Pantheism embraces this sense of mystery, recognizing that the divine is not limited to what we can comprehend. The Earth's climate is a complex and interconnected system, now being altered by human activity. The burning of fossil fuels and deforestation are causing the planet to warm, with observable effects. Pantheism reminds us that we are an integral part of nature's web of life. Our actions have consequences for all living things on Earth. DNA, the molecule of life, carries the genetic instructions for all living organisms. The universality of DNA is evidence for the shared ancestry of all life on Earth. Pantheism sees this shared genetic heritage as a testament to the interconnectedness of all living things. The divine spark, if it exists, burns within every living creature on Earth. Light possesses a strange and paradoxical nature, behaving both as a wave and as a particle. This wave-particle duality challenges our classical intuition about the nature of reality. Pantheism embraces this sense of mystery, recognizing that the divine cannot be confined to our limited understanding. The universe is full of wonders that defy our attempts to fully grasp their true nature. The universe is home to an estimated 2 trillion galaxies, each containing billions of stars. This vastness can evoke a sense of awe and wonder, inspiring a sense of connection. Pantheism recognizes that the divine permeates the entire universe. We are part of a vast and interconnected web of existence. Pantheism embraces science, finding in its discoveries echoes of the divine. It invites us to see the interconnectedness in every aspect of the world and to live with reverence and awe. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Please subscribe to support our channel. May it inspire you to see the world with new eyes and a renewed sense of wonder. Peace and love to all of you.